Hello students, now we will discuss question number 1218. In this question it is given to us that focal length of a thin convex lens is 30 cm. At a distance of 10 cm from the lens, there is a plane refracting surface beyond which the refractive index is 3/2. So in diagram it is given that refractive index is 3/2 in this medium. Where will the parallel rays incident on the lens converge? So light ray incident on the lens are parallel. These are parallel light ray which are incident on the lens, where they are going to converge in the medium. Because lens is a focal length of 30 cm, so light ray should converge at focal length 30 cm, focal length distance which is 30 cm. But after 10 cm there is change in medium. So if I draw a diagram for light rays which are going to strike the surface, these light rays are coming like this, which are going to strike the surface. They are going to strike the surface if extended by 20 cm, because after lens the distance is 30 cm of point of convergence. So for this surface the point of convergence should be at 20 cm distance. But because of refractive index change, light rays are going to a denser medium, so they will bend toward the normal. So now the light rays are going to meet some point away. They will meet at some point here. So how could we find this distance? So we can use concept of apparent depth. See that if this was the object, then this is the image. If by principle of reversibility light rays are going outwards, light rays are going like this, draw light ray backward, so this light ray after emergence should go like this. So it is diagram is just like that. Object is somewhere here and its image is formed here. So image location is the position of the apparent depth. And remember that apparent depth, distance apparent is equal to distance real, which in this case we need to determine distance real by mu of the medium into mu of the outer medium. So outer medium is air. So by solving this expression we can find out that this x is coming out to be 30 cm. So final answer is 30 cm from the plane surface. 30 cm from plane surface is 40 cm from lens. So options are at a distance 60 cm from lens, so this is wrong. B is at a distance of 50 cm from lens, this is also wrong. At a distance of 70 cm from lens, this is wrong. At a distance of 40 cm from lens, this is correct. So correct answer should be 40 cm from lens. Thank you.